Hey guys, I'm back. I just did part 1 of my linen closet. I thought it would take a little less time than it did, and I did not want you guys to be like, over it. So here we are. I'm already over it, but I'm still going to stick to it because I want to get it done. So basically we have medication and cleansers left. I will do the cleansers first. So Method, I have this like all-purpose cleaner. I will say, we're going to do a huge purge of cleansers in the basement. It's going to be big and bad, and you guys are going to be like, oh my gosh, that's so much money down the drain. Literally. But no, I'll give it away. But I want to go to more natural products, like these Method ones, and like I might keep like a bleach or a couple things for the shower, but overall, I want to really stick to Method. I like it a lot. So we're going to do that. This is Glass and Surface. I just have a bunch. They had a big sale at Target, I don't know, a year ago, and I like bought the place out. This is for if there's cold and flu. I've heard this Purell, hopefully it focuses, is really, really good stuff. So during flu season, I bought it before the flu season in case. Luckily, knock on wood, we didn't get the flu. Mr. Plumber, can anyone tell me, is this really bad for your pipes? I haven't used it yet, but I want to on my tub. It's slow draining. Slow draining. This just doesn't work. I'm going to get rid of it. It doesn't work for my purpose. We have problems with the caulking. Like, we have trouble getting some of the mildew and stuff out. And that we tried a million products, and that was one that did not work very well. These hydrogen peroxide things, do these have expirations? No. The tap tops where you push them down, I do like those for the counters. I am going to keep that. And then the Clorox, of course. Gotta clean your potty. Got to clean that potty, girl. And then here's a little, oh, this is the one that sticks on, I can't, oh, I hate that feeling. Ooh, you know the microfiber that actually clings to you? Not all of them do that. I can't deal with it. Someone who can is going to take them, okay? So we'll put these back in, and let's go to the next little cleaner. Swiffers. We have a box of Swiffers. We dust with Swiffers. It's like such a waste. And I don't do it all the time, but especially if I've like, it's been like a little long and it's like, whoa, dust. It's like, let's just do it. It sucks it up. It's awesome. And you can use one for a lot of space. So we have that. Oh gosh, I can't. Oh, you know, certain things give you the heebie-jeebies, like nails on a, I'm gonna get rid of these sponges. They are old, like nails down a chalkboard. That's what it feels like to me. This is the Scrubby Dub. Gotta keep that for the shower. This one, another one, I can't with you. Ah, that's better. This is a glass cleaning cloth though. This is a bath stone cleaning block that I've never used in my life. It's sitting there. Another one of these. Oh, this is because I vomit when I smell bleach, so I have to wear one of those masks. I make my husband do it a lot because I physically get ill with the smell of bleach, and sometimes he knows bleach. These Scrub Buddies are at the dollar store, I think. They're like the magic erasers. So we keep those, and then we have a couple of toothbrushes to get down and dirty. So I'm gonna keep that. What is, I think the medicine is what's left. Okay. Now this is where you need to go through and check your expiration dates. Okay, people. We have so much Tylenol because I would be out at the store and be like, oh, expired, lovely. I'd be like, oh, that's expired. $3.19 Children's Tylenol. I would forget, honestly, that I had it. Children's Motrin. Keep that. This thing. Oh, this I kept in here. It was like if there's an infant choking, it tells you how to help them. Child abduction. Oh gosh. Car safety seats. I don't know. It's a thing I think they gave us at the hospital. Thanks, hospital. I'll give it to someone else though. I really, really will. It's an old prescription thing. I'm gonna get rid of that. Do we need 3 of these measuring cups? No. We need 1. Get rid of the others. Nice little Imodium stick in here. Whew, 2016. Got some trash. Can never have enough trash, right? These are they're like plain Vaseline. And they're good through 2019. It's always good. Cora has really dry skin, so It's always good to have that. Okay. Oh, and this little mucus bulb, that's just for babies, huh? I guess I can get rid of it. I feel like it's good to have. You never know if you're going to suck something out. What do you think? Do any of you keep this, like for kids that are 3 or 3 to 4 or something? I don't know. Tell me your thoughts on that. Alright, next. Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. I have like 50 thermometers. Like 5,000. Here are these Be Cool. Have you seen these? They keep your kid's head cool. I've never used one, but then I have all the directions with all the, like I don't know how to take a, actually I don't. You know these ones? To take, this is a forehead one, right? Well, temperature, I couldn't think of the word. I have 99.1 temperature. Can you imagine? It's like 104, 100.2. 99.2. See, this one is jacked. I don't like it. It's a liar, and it always had the wrong thing. So I finally got an ear thermometer, and I have this one that was a brand new regular one, and I'm going to get rid of the rest because it's ridiculous. I'm not even going to show you how many there are. I'm not going to show you because it's nuts. And then the probe covers, we'll keep those. And then thermoscan, this is, I do need those directions for that one. So I'm going to keep the big one in the ear, that's very accurate. And the covers, here are the covers, like we have the covers for the ear one. I hope I'm not too far, you guys. If I am, you can tell me and yell at me, and the next one I'll do better. So we'll keep those directions. And then I guess this one. 2 thermometers is enough. I have anxiety, so, you know, I was like 14.8 thermometers is great. Alright, now, sore throat stuff. We have the sore throat drops, gotta look at expiration. They are done. They're expired. Vapor rub. I know some of you may not do expiration dates. I do. I'm a psycho about expiration dates. Imodium. Glad I haven't had to use this. Oh, I haven't, clearly, because it's from 2015. Alright, we've got some Tylenol. That's good. Oh, Zyrtec, which I'm going to start taking. I love how Zyrtec lasts for like years because I don't take it all the time, so that's good to know. A little Ricola in there. Am I 90? Just kidding. At one point I did use these. Oh, I use them to travel though. So I can keep one. I don't need 19 of them, do I? I'll keep the bigger one, I guess, right? Okay. And give that one away. Oh, Zicam, you guys, is the best. I like depend on this, and it's good till 420. That is great for preventing colds. If Cora gets a cold, I pop one of those. Claricalm helps cramps. It's like an essential oil. I'm not really into those, but I'm desperate for help with my cramps. More Zicam. The Zicam you melt in your mouth after you eat every like 3 or 4 hours or something. Amitrol. Oh, 2016. I guess we can get rid of that. Never used it for nausea and upset. Guess it's glad. These, my friends, are little bracelets that help you if you have what we call motion sickness, which I don't like at all. I can read in the car, on flights, whatever. Boats, watch out. Girl's gonna throw up in your face. I've actually never thrown up on one, but I get, and it's just in my old age, I started getting real nauseous on a couple boat trips. One was on my honeymoon. I had those though, and I was like sipping on Coke, and I was like, in Italy, you know. You don't want to get sick in Italy. You want to be real happy there. Actually, true story, I got like food poisoning or something on the plane back and was sick in the bathroom for over an hour. Then I took medicine and went to sleep. So this one, Band-Aids. I don't think I need to show you. We're keeping them all. There's some trash in here though. Okay. So I can probably condense these at some point. Like, but I like things separated. They used to have labels, I think. But then I changed them and I didn't relabel them. But I feel like we could condense these. It's a little ridiculous to have 4 bins of medication like a hypochondriac. I think that's it, guys. Oh, vacuum, that will be staying. And then there is a Swiffer. Let me break that house. A Swiffer duster thing. And, oh, excuse us. This little basket, let's go, because I'm sure, yep, my husband, one of his little jobs is to, when we get a huge thing of toilet paper from the store, and he separates them into upstairs and downstairs, and he puts them down here, but he always leaves the packaging in here for me, because I always find it and throw it away. So we have a couple like paper towels and a few what we call toilet paper TP. So we just keep it on there so it's there when we need it. And we have also like a toilet paper holder next to the potty that holds 3. So if you're in there and you're like, oh, dropped a deuce, uh-oh, there's no TP. Yeah, there is. It's right next to you. Got you covered. You're good. Okay. On the reel. Thank you. I think, I know I'm talking fast, but this is like a lot of stuff and I wanted to get through it. When you're not talking, you can do it even faster. So you can do this in usually 20 minutes or less. Just take a little cabinet or a little area, a junk drawer, part of your closet. I don't do my closet all at once. I'm like, we'll do the shirts today. We'll do the sweaters today. Why am I tilting my head so creepily? I don't know. Alright, I'm going to go, and thank you for watching. Thumbs up this video if you are enjoying these, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, because I will be continuing to do a lot of decluttering and organization videos. Maybe I could declutter like one whole room and then organize it and do an organization video. That's what I think I might do. Sound good? Does that sound like a plan? Okay. Tell me what you like, what you really, really like. I like deuces. Declutter deuces!